Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel INFY. So in this video we are going to discuss something about struct in GoLang. So we are going to discuss about function as a field in GoLang struct. So as you all know, struct is something which is a user defined data type in GoLang, where you can define individual elements of different data types into a single unit. So but for today we are going to discuss about how you can a specify the function as a type to a particular field in GoLang struct. So that's what we're going to discuss today with the help of an example. So as you can see here, I'm having a main function. So before that, let me first define a struct. uh, let's say we are going to take the example developer as the example. So we are going to define the developer step and we are going to give in some properties. So developer will have the property name, and we can also have the property technology, and we can also have the property as a number of working hours. So it could be integer, and you can also have the property as hourly pay. So how much the is the hourly pay for a particular developer, and you can also have a particular field which takes the function as a type. So that particular field will calculate the total pay. So total pay will take the function as a type. Basically that function will calculate the total pay, which is nothing but the number of hours into the hourly pay. So to give the function as a type, let me just write the function signature. So let me say total pay. The function name is going to be total pay, and the params are going to be integer, and the return type will also be an integer. So here I am going to say the total pay as the type. So this is what the function as a type in GoLang to the struct. So as you can see, this particular function takes into arguments and returns a particular argument. Now in the main function, let me define a developer with the help of this developer struct. So let us define the John with the help of the developer struct. So we can have the name as John, we can have the technology as GoLang, and we can have the number of working hours as 8 maybe, and hourly pay is going to be $5 per hour, and total pay. Now here you are going to define your function. As you can see, the I1 is going to be the 2 arguments, right? So here let's say the first variable is the number of hours and the second variable is going to be hourly pay. So basically we are going to return number of working hours into hourly pay will give you the total pay. So now let us try to print the particular result. So you can say printf instead. So you can say John earns X dollars in particular technology. So what is the first? That is going to be John dot name, or you can say developer. That would be a good naming convention. So developer dot name. Okay, the second value is going to be the total pay function. So the total pay function, we need to pass two parameters, number of hours and hourly pay, right? So developer dot number of hours and developer dot hourly pay, and the third argument is going to be the name of the technology. Okay, so yeah, so this is what function as a type in GoLang. You are basically passing the function signature as the type, and while you are defining a struct, you are just defining that particular function and you are calling that particular function as a usage in this particular printf. Okay, so let me run this. So the output should be John earns $40 in GoLang. So that should be the expected output. Yeah, you can see the output is John earns $40 in GoLang. So basically this is how you can make use of the function as a field in GoLang struct, and you can make use of in your real-time GoLang structs. So that's all. Thank you for watching this video.